Hi there. This week we're talking about computer viruses, spyware, worms and rootkits. All the nasty things that can get into your computer and make your life miserable. While all the different names do have specific meanings, the people who really care about those sort of things aren't watching. So I'm going to bring all these different concepts together under the name of malware, which is short for malicious software, and described on Wikipedia as any software intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, or computer network. Now, not that we want to get malware, but it's worth knowing how it can get on your computer, because prevention is much better than cure. Malware exists for a couple of reasons. Programmers showing off and to make money. There is a dark side to the internet, and there are people that are willing to do nasty things to make a buck. Most of the ways average people get exposed to malware is by stumbling into some of the darker areas, either by accident or looking for something like illegal software or movie downloads. It's also possible for legitimate sites to either be hacked or accidentally serve bad advertisements that can take you across to the dark side. As I said, prevention is best, so I always recommend keeping up-to-date antivirus and anti-malware software running on your PC. For Windows, I recommend Kaspersky Internet Security, and there's a link to it above. The main point of this video, though, is to introduce you to another great piece of software that acts both as a preventative and as a cleanup tool. That software is called Malwarebytes. There is a link to it above now, and another in the description below. If you aren't ready to buy Malwarebytes right away, there is a link at the bottom of the page to a 14-day free trial to get you started. Running Malwarebytes is as simple as double-clicking on the icon and clicking the Scan Now button. It will check for and install the latest updates and begin to scan your computer. When it's complete, it'll either give you the good news that your system is clean or provide you with a list of all of the items that it's found. I simply always pick Select All and then Clean. The system will churn away for a while and either present you with a clean bill of health or request a reboot. If you're asked to reboot, I strongly encourage you to do another scan after the reboot. I've known a few cases where you have to peel off layers of malware on particularly badly infected systems. I hope that was helpful. At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to guide you each step of the way to help you feel comfortable with your computer. Come back every weekend for new videos, and please subscribe. Leave your questions or comments below. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.